Hello, this is Dennis Bisher. I'm the Director of Agronomy for Michigan Sugar. And today we're out in some of our research trials looking at some of our different treatments for fungicides, some different varieties, and comparing their genetic tolerance to leaf spot. So where I'm standing at right now, this is what we call our new source trial. So we have KWS has a new source for genetic tolerance to leaf spot. Looks like it has some pretty good potential to reduce the number of fungicide applications. So we've been testing some things, some different treatments, and looking at those varieties compared to our current varieties to see how they perform in the field. What I have right here, so this is a currently approved variety, Beta 1703. And it's an untreated check. So this didn't have any fungicide treatments. It's naturally inoculated. And untreated, still holding pretty well considering the year, but we're definitely getting some disease down in here, some browner leaves. This would be enough leaf spot to be considered economic impact. So even though untreated, holding relatively well this year, but still not good enough, would have required some fungicide applications. So if we take that variety, which is one of our current better leaf spot varieties for tolerance, and compare it to untreated check of a new source. So this is a non-approved variety. It's a second year of research. It cannot currently be grown in growers' fields, but it does have a higher tolerance to leaf spot. And once again, never treat it. And we're seeing less damage in here from leaf spot. Better overall, less disease, better disease control, even with no fungicide application. So an improvement over our current best variety. And then we go to Crystal 675. So this is still a relatively good variety for leaf spot. We kind of have our varieties in green, yellow, and red. This would still fall into that green zone for pretty good tolerance. But once again, we're getting more leaf spot. We're getting some pretty significant burn down, getting economic damage. So more leaf spot in this variety versus this is our most susceptible variety in this trial. More leaf spot in this one versus our 1703, which is our variety with the most genetic tolerance that we currently have, and then compared to the new source, which potentially is coming down the road in maybe next year or within a couple of years. So we're definitely seeing an improvement in that new genetic tolerance. It's given us some hope for less fungicide applications, better disease control.